about sugar because you know I like information.
Yeah.
But you never had sugar, did you?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, that's not why his problem was.
But I got an infection in my
You had an infection?
leg. Yeah. And it started,
Yeah, spread.
spreading, so they had to cut it off, cut it off. But I don't want to go through all this.
Right. And Jimmy was saying about his sugar. What was you saying about your sugar?
Yeah, well, my sugar, what I learned is that it starts at the foot
One meat.
and
Yes.
it works its way up to the bottom. That's why you see a lot of people walking around with their foot cut off or a toe cut off.
First day.
Yeah, because of the diabetes and they didn't
I
take
had-
care of
I wasn't diabetic, but I got an infection. So they wanted to cut the toes off.
Yeah.
So that spread again.
Oh, you thought they was just gonna cut the toes off?
Yeah, that's what they were going to do, but after they did that, it kept
Spread
on
it more.
growing,
Well, what did spread? Infection? What spread it?
so the infection.
What type of infection was it? Do you know? Okay. So it just spread it. First it was the feet, then it went up to your leg.
Yeah, but they did it, so then it just kept going. So
Oh.
that's why they,
Wow. So did they tell you how did you get the infection?
Probably something happened to my toe. I hit it on something.
Wow. So you can just hit your toe and get an
It
infection?
depends on how hard you hit it or something,
Wow.
Something happened.
Because I done hit my toe on my bed so many times, thank God. And,
I must have hit it on something harder than it did.
yeah. Wow, I never knew that, though. I never knew that hitting your toe can get you an infection.
It's an open wound.
Open wound. Oh, wow. Yeah, if it's an open wound, absolutely. Oh, okay. But guess what? I'm glad you're still here amongst the living. Yes, because a lot of people didn't make it. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So, yes, you're here for a reason and a purpose.
Didn't make it
And
from,
that's
from the
corona.
corona either.
Yeah.
But a lot of people wasn't listening.
That's
about
right.
that either.
That's
And
right.
some still ain't listening.
They still ain't listening.
Yeah.
That's why everybody is getting it. Hey, how you doing? What's your name? What's your name,
I
baby?
don't want to hear about no rap.
Hey, Joyce. You can take one piece of meat. We got some greens. Y'all already know y'all got them pinto beans.
Yeah, they was done.
Yeah, we got snacks. Yeah.
One meat.
Yes. Yeah, one meat. Just so everybody can have a chance to get some. Yeah. And those sausages are delicious.
I must try them out and see.
Yeah. I like that jacket. You just got on my favorite color, don't you? Red is my favorite color. And you got the tennis on that back. She's sharp.
I found the scarf to go with them.
Yeah, she got on. She even got red in her scarf, so she kind on. Look good. You're welcome. You're welcome. These cookies right here too.
What the guy say on Happy Day, coordinate.
Yes.
Coordinate.
I do what I do.
Yeah. Look. She got the orange shirt on because she got an orange Oreo hat on.
Yeah.
Karen, oh, I gotta get a picture of that.
She coordinate.
See what she doing,
I'm
Jimmy?
washing clothes.
She
When I go out to the
coordinate.
store. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Smoochie.